Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to use Midjourney to create a logo. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to create a logo in Midjourney, you just simply have to open Midjourney into your Discord server. Just simply open Midjourney bot, and into here you just simply have to open messages and then type command and then imagine. Then after that, you just simply have to write down a prompt describing the logo that you want. You can also use ChatGPT as I did to make this prompt, and just simply send this prompt to the Midjourney. Then wait a while for Midjourney to create the logo, and as you can see here, Midjourney created a logo for me as according my prompt. You can also easily create logos in Midjourney, and remember, as good as your prompt will be, the logo also will be good. This way you can easily create a logo in Midjourney very easily using the prompts. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.